Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Notion AI for automated knowledge workflows, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with Notion AI, first, navigate to the Notion website or open the Notion app. If you don't have an account, click on sign up and fill in the required details to create one. Once your account is set up, log in to your Notion workspace. Now, locate the sidebar on the left side of your screen. Look for the Templates option and click on it to explore available templates. In the template gallery, search for AI to find Notion's AI-related templates. Select a template that suits your needs, such as a knowledge management or project tracking template. Click on the template to open it within your workspace. Once the template loads, find the Enable AI option and click it to activate Notion AI. Follow the prompts to set up any necessary permissions or settings. After activation, familiarize yourself with the AI features available within the template. Now, begin adding your data or knowledge to leverage the automation capabilities. Utilize the AI to generate insights or summaries based on your input. You can ask the AI to draft notes, create to-do lists, or summarize documents easily. Customize the AI settings according to your workflow preferences. If needed, explore additional features by checking the Help Center or community forums. Finally, integrate Notion AI into your daily routines to maximize your productivity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.